a member of the Al Khair community sends a message for goodness. Do you like English?
Yes, of course, I really like English.
Why?
I like it since when I was in junior high school. Actually, I'm not really a smart student in that time, but English makes me different. Why it's different? Because I met my teacher. Name is Mr. Yu in that time. Yeah, that's my English teacher who trained me to speak English, not just speak, but gain my confidence. Actually, I'm not a good student in that class. I cannot speak well. It means that I cannot do like a presentation when I have assignment from my teacher. But when English subject, Mr. Yu, as my teacher, taught me a different way to learn. Not just like reading a book, but he taught me how to speak well, how to memorize vocabulary in that time, and then I like that subject. So the only one subject that I like in that time, it was English.
Did you find English easy? Do you find it easy to learn English?
No, of course no, because when we know English, it means that we need to know how to pronounce it well, how to write it well, and of course it has different meaning with Bahasa Indonesia. That's my challenge. But the thing that I also like public speaking as well. So my teacher in that time taught me how to gain self-confidence first, because I really remember the reason. When you speak or when you want to learn English, no matter what, how wrong you manage your sentence or grammar part is not really important in that time, but confidence first. Confidence to speak first. If you want to speak, you can balance it to learn the grammar part.
Why do you choose English teacher as your profession?
Yeah, that's why. So teaching as well now is my passion. Why I think that it's my passion? Because sharing knowledge is interesting for me. Sharing knowledge, it means that I keep the knowledge as well, but other people as well will improve or gain their knowledge as well. So sharing, I think it's one of the way to be a teacher. I mean, a teacher, one of the way to be a teacher, we can sharing knowledge to our students, especially.
What's your suggestion for the youth, especially in learning a language?
Okay.
What are your suggestions?
So my suggestion, of course, we know English is an international language. We know it all. Even though in technology, we need English. We need to understand English to operate the technology. For example, phone. So that's the reason why we need to improve and learn about English. So if you think that English is difficult, you need to gain your self-confidence first. No matter how you don't know the grammar part, you don't know how to arrange or construct your sentences, but you need to have self-confidence first, and then you believe with yourself that you can do it. And then we have to, of course, we have to communicate, we have to practice, because language without practice is nothing. I think that's all.